Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel DL Tech, Dominzi Loaded Tech, as you all know. So today we'll be doing an unboxing of Xiaomi Smart Band 7. Yeah, Xiaomi Smart Band 7 is the latest of the smartwatches of Xiaomi. Now let's check its inside, what it looks like. So let's open. So it's perfectly sealed. And I'm the one that's been sealing it for the first time. This is the smart band. What's inside? Nothing. This is our smart band. Wow, looking sweet. Okay, this is the smart band. Behind is the charging part, and the detector, the sensors. Okay, so this is band. What else do we have in the carton? What is here? Okay, this is the info book. I think the guide that most of us don't get to read. Then we have here the charging port, the charger, the USB cable. So we have here is the USB cable. So let's see what it looks like. Yeah, there's a magnetic USB cable. I see the two metal there. So how does it go? Just directly, and it connects, plug to your charger, and starts working. Okay, so this is what we have in our Smart Mi Band 7. A smartwatch, a USB, and this. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this. Also like and share the video. Thank you.